In today's video, I'm going to show to you another free-to-play play-to-earn blockchain game inside the Wax blockchain, and it is Wax Tycoon.io. So before we start into this game, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. I have around 10,300 subscribers. Please help me reach that 15,000 this month. So let's just jump right into it. So Wax Tycoon.io is a new, it's not really entirely new blockchain game inside Wax blockchain game, and its game is just focusing on just creating, just upgrading your income sources here and be placed on the leaderboard. So when you are placed into the leaderboard, you can now uh, you can now reset your progress here, and then you will get a gem. So as you can see here, what this one is really simple. Okay, just upgrade the production. Okay, just upgrade. Okay, and then when you are upgrading your production, when you are doing some big updates on this part right here, you are getting more money into this part right here. You are going to produce more money. And if you reach this leaderboard right here, let's say you reach this top 20, okay? You are now making around 573 million per second. Then you can now reset your progress, which in turn you can get a gem. So a gem is an in-game currency that you can earn by getting to the top of the leaderboard. So if you are into the top 20 of the leaderboard, you will see the option to prestige. So all of the progress that you have, okay, will be reset back to zero when you prestige. However, you will get a gems for that. So how you can actually convert these gems? It is really simple. What you just need to do is just go into the wax.altcredit.exchange. This is also free. Do not forget to connect your wallet. So what you just need to do is just search for a gem. Okay, you see here, gems.tycoon. Just click this one, okay, and then convert it into wax. So when you convert it into wax, you can convert this wax token that you have into a USDT Terror, which is pretty much stable coin as well. So currently it has a lot of bugs, but you can see your ranks here. So as you can see, I do have around 10,416. So for you to be able to get a gems again, you need to be your rank, you need to be into top 20, so that you can get pretty much a big amount of gems. So I'm not really sure about the pros and cons about this game, because probably this is consuming a CPU. So probably if you are mining on alien worlds, you are using Colobox, you are using our planet as well. If you want to whale this game, if you want to be addicted onto this game, you need to have a really big amount of CPU, and it could be not that worth it if you want to make more money into the Wax blockchain, because if this will consume a lot more CPU than the other games, then probably you won't make pretty much more money, okay? Rather than playing in our planet, you just claim it, you just take your NFTs into this part right here. You need to click every single time for you to be able to upgrade your income, as you can see here, for you to upgrade your income, and to be able to be paid when you got ranked into the leaderboard. So that is pretty much the downside on this part right here. But the upside into this game is that it is entirely free. You can earn for free as well just by playing this. There's really no head advantage onto this part right here, except if you're going to buy this type of gems right here. So you can see you can buy it via wax, you can buy it via gems. So this is also a function right here. So if you got a gem, you can buy it, okay? You can buy this one right here. So if you've bought this upgrades into this shop right here, this is permanent, okay? If you bought this one right here, what will happen is you will get two times more production. So you will save more time as well. But of course, you need to pay it via gem. So how much is this one in gem? Okay, we can look onto this part right here. So 5,000 gem is 859 wax, and if 859 wax is how much? Okay, we will see it here. So let's type in 859 wax. It costs around $116. So it is up to you if this one is pretty much worth it. But I mean, I think if you really have a really big amount of time to play, you just want to play this game, you actually enjoy these Tycoon games, then probably you can play this game as well. So this one is really simple. Okay, just click this one, just upgrade your production. When you get more money, just put more um, just put more money. Okay, so when you are upgrading, when you got the money, just upgrade this one. And as you can see here, I do already have this CPU time right here, which is pretty much bad. This is what I'm talking about a few minutes ago, that it could be a big problem if you're playing other games as well, because there is a CPU error right now. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. Please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. As you can see here, I do have 10,300 subscribers. Please help me reach this month around 15,000. I will really appreciate this one. So see you on my next video, and good luck.